absolutely love this Hamilton Beach 2-station coffee maker. We've had this for a month now and we really like this coffee maker. The price is excellent for what you get. There's a lot of great features about it. It has an individual cup maker and then the multi, 12 cup maker pops in this little kind of cup here, and you just pour your water in at the top. And I've already put coffee in this, and I really like the screen. I used to be a barista, and the screen is very fine, so the grounds don't get into the coffee. Super easy. It slides in, down, and then you can switch it over to single serve. So we actually use the large serve oftentimes for mate. And then you just press the button here and it drips your individual cup. It just takes a few seconds to start. There is a little vent up here, but I'm sure you can see there's just a tiny little bit of steam that comes out. We've never seen large amounts come out. We do move it away from our cabinet a little bit, but nothing like our last coffee maker where it just completely poured out and billowed and started ruining our cabinets. This coffee maker is great. I love the way that it looks. It's nice and sleek. The water for the larger container area goes in the back. In the front, you put your coffee, and super easy to use. We absolutely love this product, and it's a great price as well compared to other ones. I did a lot of price comparison, and this one just seemed to be the best, and we're really glad and pleased that we bought it. You can program it, just excellent.
This is my review, Hamilton Beach. I think the white one looks a little plasticky, but other than that, really nice. I very much like, I bought a basket for it. It does not come with an inside basket. I do like that it has separate area for the water to easily be poured into. The self-serve one also has a nice area that you can fill water into as well. With its own separate single tray. This basket came with it. You can also buy both of them on Amazon if you want extras. This has a separate for the single. Coffee pot. You can choose single or carafe and get it started. That easy. Switch it over, do your single serve. Just to get an idea, a cup that'll fit in it. There's about 16 or 20 ounces. It'll fit.
Of it, wanted to go old school. It is old school, but it's also got the single serve, which is amazing because sometimes I don't want to do a full pot. If I know I'm going to be in a hurry in the morning, I can just do a quick single cup and I'm good to go. But as far as the coffee pot itself, man, I totally forgot how nice it was to wake up to fresh brewed coffee in the morning. That smell is so nice. It really helps me get out of bed and get my day going. Love this coffee pot. If you don't have it, you should get it.
I programmed my coffee this morning to start brewing at 8:30. So when I came downstairs, it was brewing already.